of it all today. The Pacific side of Cabo is very glassy. Anyways, be careful when you walk around, especially up or downstairs. Use the handrails. We might have bigger swells of waves by the Pacific side of Cabo. And actually, we can see the other side of Lovers Beach now on the right side, which is known as the Divorce Beach, la playa del divorcio. You can see the wave park on the rocks and the sand. You can see there are bigger swells of waves coming and hitting the area from one moment to another.